Missy. Ito, nagsimula tayo sa wedding, di ba? Wedding ng friend mo. Yung friend ko, friend mo pala yon. Sa una pa lang, mga Facebook request ko, nire-reject mo eh. Then, all of a sudden, nag-attend ka pala sa wedding ng friend ko. Una nakita ko, ito pala si Kat. Sino ba si Kat? Tapos nung una pala, bighang-bighani pala ako sa'yo. Tapos ngayon, pag-aari na kita.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep.
Thank you, Baba, sa pagpapasensya sa akin. Thank you sa lahat ng pag-aalaga, sa lahat ng pag-iintindi. Sana di ka magbago. Sorry kung mabilis uminit yung ulo ko, lalo na pagpagod ako.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching her teeth. Life goes on, it gets so heavy, the wheel breaks the butterfly, every tear a waterfall. In the night, the stormy night, she closed her eyes. In the night, the stormy night,
Love you, Missy. Thank you.
a dream of paradise,
Lord, thank you for giving Kat to my life. Then I will treasure her until the last breath of my life.
so lying underneath those stormy skies. She said, oh, I know the sun was set to rise. This could be paradise, paradise, could be paradise. Oh, this could be
I promise magiging open-minded ako. I promise na magiging maintindihin ako. Dito lang ako, basta lagi lang tayong magtulungan. I will love you and your family for the rest of my life.